Let me ask you a question. How many photos do you have right there on your phone? 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, or maybe even more? And out of those thousands of photos with you around, how many do you think are just plain designs that you use for your wallpaper, background, Twitter header, cover photos, or anything that contains an abstract design? Now, what if I tell you that you can actually create some pretty breathtaking designs? And not only will they be used for your personal things, such as a wallpaper, but you can actually generate money that can even reach up to an enormous $280 for each and every design. That's absolutely astonishing, isn't it? You know it anyway. Prepare yourself as you witness this brand new and up-to-date money-making method that I just recently found out about. It will do wonders for you to earn tons of money because you won't need to do anything heavy to accomplish this. You're just going to need your device and any device at that your internet connection, and of course yourself. With no investment made, you can generate a source of income for absolutely 100% free, and on top of that, it caters to a huge population since it can be accessed no matter where you are in the 7 continents of the world. Now, with that said, I want you to find your spot, get some snacks, and make yourself comfortable as I will tell you all about this method that will allow you to make as much as $280 quickly and effectively. To start off this video, I want you to go to the website called Adobe Creative Cloud Express. And you can visit their website by typing those words on your search bar. Once you're in the website's homepage, you are instantly greeted with these words as they say right here. You can quickly and easily make standout content from thousands of beautiful templates for the all-new Adobe Creative Cloud Express. And no, if you notice this detail right here, they proudly say that you can access this platform on both the web or on mobile. Like I told you in the beginning, this means that you are free to use your laptop or your phone, all according to your own convenience. Based on just that alone, it's simply amazing that it definitely shows press in terms of accessibility, which is just everything nice for your own benefit. Just to give you a little overview of what we're about to do, you are going to create some awesome designs with this website. And you won't even need any skills for you to pull this off. I know what you must be thinking, that creating designs is not your forte, not even by an inch. But let me tell you, so am I, but I got to accomplish all of this since the general interface is really easy, and it's also beyond perfect for beginners like you and me. Since there are tons of beautiful templates that you can freely choose to pursue your design, it's surely promising, right? With a platform as stellar as this, you are surely in good hands, and you are totally set and earning tons of money online. So without further ado, allow me to give you a walkthrough, so make sure to watch this video very closely, listen to my instructions carefully, and most importantly, never ever skip ahead, because if you do, you might miss out on some details that play crucial roles in making this a huge success. Alright, so on the upper portion of the page right here, you can find these sections that will lead you to subsections for you to go into. On this section for create right here, you can find this huge variety of designs you can make. There's the option to create social graphics, logos, flyers, banners, Instagram stories, advertisements, YouTube banners, posters, business cards, and YouTube thumbnails. All of these designs are widely available for full customization and creation, and it's all made possible with Adobe Creative Cloud Express. And guess what? You can just perform all of the steps using any device that you have, and if you happen to use your phone, it won't matter if you own an iOS or Android device, because it works perfectly on both software types. This means that the app is widely available in both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store, so it just further adds to the platform's accessibility. At this point, there's really no turning back as we head right on to how we can create an account for free. Firstly, I want you to go back to the main home page, and you will see this big button right here that says Start for Free. You can't miss this button since it's blatantly put right on the middle of the home page. So once you click on that button, you will be redirected to this page where you can choose what method to use in logging in with the website. On the left half of the page, you can find these right here where you can pursue the registration process by continuing with third-party websites such as Google, Facebook, and Apple. You can also choose to log in with your Adobe ID if you're familiar with the ecosystem. Now, if these are all not applicable to you, then just choose to go old school and sign up with your email. Now that you have your own account for Adobe Creative Cloud Express, let me first congratulate you for making it this far. Just stay with me a little bit more so that you will be fully equipped with everything you need to make this entire thing work. You can't send a soldier to battle without ammunition, right? Anyway, after you log in, you will then get access to this page where you can discover lots and lots of designs, templates, and projects. On the main page, you can immediately see a wide array of templates, and based on the looks of the previews, all I can say is wow, all of these designs are just drop-dead gorgeous, and you can never go wrong with picking any one of them. Just pick one template out of the bunch, and you can choose to create an Instagram story, Instagram post, Facebook post, poster, logo, flyer, collage, book cover, album cover, and more. Out of all these stunning templates, I want you to choose the template for posters, since posters are really appealing and very flexible for lots of purposes. So just click on poster, and then you will be taken to this page where you can discover a huge assortment of visually pleasing templates that you can use for free. After finding the perfect template for you, you will now proceed to the creative process by customizing the designs based on the specifications that you need to fulfill. Now, for example, I'm going to pick this template since it caught my attention as soon as my eyes landed on it. Now, everything you're going to do next will be fully up to you, but I'm just going to give you a simple walkthrough to serve as an example. On this column on the left side of the page, you are going to see these sections, and this is where you create creative magic. You can edit the text by going into the text section like so, and let's say that the text to be put is cash flow. You can also choose tons of ready-made templates for the text, so just feel free to discover some more. Next, you can choose to add photos and icons in these two sections right here to add a little bit of flair to your poster, but you can choose not to do this anymore since your poster literally looks out of this world beautiful. Next, you can choose to add design assets and backgrounds to fully customize the template and make it your own. Moving on to the opposite side, you can see this column right here where you can modify the color scheme of the poster as well as add animations into the whole thing. You also have the luxury to put borders and whatnot on the background section. So just exercise the fullest of your creativity to come up with the best output you can ever produce. Right now, I want you to take one last look at your poster in the editing stage, and once you're satisfied, you can now download the image for free. Before we dive deeper into the video, let me give you this period to give the video a thumbs up if you like this video, and then leave a comment down below if you're interested in what's coming up next. Done? Alright, let's get back to the video. Let's now proceed into monetizing your posters through this top-notch website called DesignCrowd. Right off the bat, you can see that you can get the perfect custom design every time with the world's #1 custom design marketplace. Feel free to scroll down the page and navigate through to find out everything that you're looking for. But to get right into the main idea, I want you to go ahead and visit the job section on the app portion of the page. Once you click on that button, you will find a broad selection of jobs that you can pursue with this very effective website. But since you came up with a design related to posters, we're going to go for print and advertising jobs. Since posters are relatively simple to create, you can be able to repeat this process over and over again, which makes your income opportunities limitless. Just go to the poster design section and proceed accordingly. You are going to work as a freelancer, so all that you need to do is basically post the job listing and then wait for clients to come to avail your services. With your designs as stellar as the ones you made, there's no doubt you can earn money in no time with everything I just said. Let's go to the sign up process by clicking this big blue button right here that says join for free. After clicking on that button, you will be taken to this page where you're just going to input your email address and password. After doing so, just hit the let's go button and you're good to go. You're now inside DesignCrowd, and you can now begin this novel money-making journey. Once you have logged into your account, you can out browse through tons of job listings, and you can also upload some of your works as a portfolio so that potential clients may get the glimpse on what to expect from you. Just allot a little bit of your time to create designs of utmost quality so that clients will stay loyal to your services, making you generate a consistent income stream. And that is basically it for this entire video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below and tell me what you have learned today. Oh, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you love the entire thing. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. If you find this video beneficial, please like it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos. Thanks for watching.